Hello you guys, Master Curry here. Today, I'm excited to present the 2012 Jaguar XF. Now as always, this is going to be full, in-depth review of the Jaguar. We're going to start it up, get an exhaust clip, do some revs, then go on a full, in-depth interior review, then go on a quick walk around of the exterior. Now before I begin, I'd like to give a big thanks and shout out to Showcase Wedding and Car Rental for providing with this beautiful Jaguar today. You can check their website provided in the description box below to view all their cool cars from the antiques to 2016 cars, so make sure to check them out. Also, I want to give a big thanks to my friend Cherbil, who helped in the making of that video. Now here's the key, Jaguar key. Now what I forgot to mention about the key was that button is used to turn on the lights, so yeah, that's a very cool feature. Let's unlock it, start inside. The 2012 Jaguar XF comes in 4 trim levels: base, portfolio, supercharged, and XFR. Our tester is the portfolio trim. It just goes up the door. First of all, this big and heavy doors. It's very high quality. You have your automatic windows, then you have your big door handles, then these huge door bins. You can fit, you don't have any cup holder, but I mean you can fit some stuff. Nicely padded elbow rest. So about the steering wheel, first of all you have this cool aluminium right here. Then it's a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the basic buttons to control the volume of the sound system and for the gauge clusters. And you don't have any 10 and 2 notches, and the 9 and 3 grip isn't the best in the world, but I mean it's a thick steering wheel, so that's a cool thing. And then you have your small plastic paddle shifters, which are really nice to have right here. You have your headlight commands with the cruise control. Now on the right, you have your command for the rain sensing wipers. And on that steering wheel, you have your basic buttons to increase and decrease the cruise control. And on the left, you have, to increase and decrease the volume and voice command. Turn on the car, just put your foot on the brake and make sure you have your key fob within the interior. And hit the button right here to go. When you turn it on, you have the rotary key shifter, which drives it up. If you put it on the reverse, going on reverse, see, you have your backup camera. And when you turn the steering wheel, it's going to just tell you which park. That's very cool. Put it on park. You have all your driving modes. And electronic parking brake. Alright, then right here, you have your CD input. Lock and unlocking the vehicle. You can turn off the screen. Puts you the very cool clock analog, like for the hazards. And upon turning on the climate control, as you can see, the air vents just rotate, and that's a very cool feature. Then you have your, all your basic controls that you can control from the screen and from the knob next to the CD input. And so you can keep the temperature or your temperature adjustments through. So yeah. Let me just, then here you have some storage. small, you have a power outlet and a small cubby space. And when you turn the car off, as you can see, these go back to their place. Now, as for storage space goes in the Jaguar, you have these two cup holders, which are attended by the wood trim, and that's a very nice feature to hide the cup holders. And then coming on to the center console. About the center console, it's a normal center console. You have all your connectivities from USB, iPod, auxiliary, and 12-volt power outlet. And my phone fits well. So yeah, it's an average size glove box. Now the downside about it, that's not padded, so it's a bit hard when resting your elbow. Then you have your glove box, which you can open from that button, and it's a big glove box, very spacious. You have your automatic windows, big door bins again. Then this beautiful wood trim all around the car. You know, just makes the car more and more luxurious. And all around the car you have this nicely padded material. I mean, it's maybe padded more than the center console, but I mean, it's very cool. Then as you can see, this power bulge in the hood gives it more aggressive and sporty look to the car. Now coming on to the seats, which are very comfortable by the way. You have all your power adjustments, backward and forward. They're very comfortable seats. Black leather one, with a supple leather. They're very comfortable for long rides. Now let's get an exhaust clip. It's beautiful stuff. Very cool. Now let's check out the back seat. Now, getting in the back seat is easy. Now, first of all, you realize there's much legroom. I mean, I'm 180 centimeters and legroom is plenty. I mean, I sit comfortably back there. You have your rear vents with a 12-volt power outlet. You have very small door bins. I mean, I just put my phone and that's it. It only fits a phone, and so yeah, you don't put any bottle of water or anything. If you want to put it, you can put right there. Now, sitting in the middle is not easy at all because you have this huge hump, so it won't be comfortable for long drives. Maybe for little kids or something like this, because it's wide and high. Now drop in the trunk with the key. Alright. And about the trunk, it's a huge trunk. I mean, it's a very wide one. Very big trunk. You can fit loads of stuff. Loads and loads of stuff in this trunk. Very big. Now the only disappointment, you can see it right here. It's not covered, so well, I mean, it's not that important. The more important, it's the big trunk, very big trunk. And you have your camera right here, your backup camera. Very cool. Let's pop up the hood. The 6-cylinder double overhead camshaft supercharged engine has a capacity of 3 liters. You have 335 brake horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 450 Newton meters of torque at 3,500 to 5,000 RPM respectively. The engine transfers its power through to the wheels by means of an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The hazards.
a revised front end look with a larger, more upright grille, slim headlight alongside light strips, and a lower hoodline with a power bulge give the XF a wide-looking, more purposeful stance, while tail lamps get LED lighting and a new chrome blade.
You have your daytime running lights. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but you can feel them flickering. Very nice bumper. Isn't that sporty, but it's fairly good.
The headlights get the biggest alteration, removing a bulbous section around the main lighting element. Gives it a more sleek and aggressive look.
This big kitty grille right here. Huge one. The Jaguar logo right here. Very cool.
Also, you do get 19-inch alloys with a beautiful design.
You can see the daytime headlights, running lights all around. I don't know if you can see that too. I don't know how to do that, but yes, there they are. See them? Yep. So guys, that's it for the Jaguar. If it's the first time you come here, please subscribe. Take care everybody. See you soon.